we're getting ready to have the great competition of 2011, the thread off. Me and Amanda, neck and neck. I think I'm gonna win this time. I've got a quick trick. I just tie off at the top of the machine and pull it through instead of having to thread each and every hole. It's amazing. I'm gonna win, I know it.
On your mark. Okay. Get set. Go!
Through the needle and all? Did you get it through the needle?
Yes! Oh.
But are you in the needle?
Yeah. No. Ah! You got in. Time. I'm in.